Hello, my dear student. How are you? Hope that all of you are fine. I am also fine. I am Saiful Islam, lecturer of Mathematics, Milestone College. Welcome all of you to my online class. Today, I will discuss about exercise 9.1 of your general math. This is the third lecture of this exercise. So today, we will solve the remaining problem of this exercise. So let's start our class. At first, problem number 21. Look, if cos A plus sin A equal to root 2 cos A, prove that cos A minus sin A equal to root 2 sin A. So it is given cos A plus sin A equal to root 2 cos A. We will prove that cos A minus sin A equal to root 2 sin A. Look at the board. Given cos A plus sin A equal to root 2 cos A. This is equation number 1. Now, if we multiply both sides by root over 2, what it will be? Look at the board. Cos A plus root 2 sin A equal to root 2 into root 2 cos A. What we have done over there? We have multiplied both sides by root over 2. Multiplying both sides by root over 2. This is the side note. Now, look at the equation number 1. Root 2 cos A equal to cos A plus sin A. So here, instead of root 2 cos A, we can write cos A plus sin A. So it become cos A plus sin A, and this is root 2 sin A, and in the right hand side, that is root 2 into root 2, that is 2 cos A. Now, if you see the proof, what we will prove? Here, right hand side, there is root 2 sin A. Right hand side, there is root 2 sin A. And left hand side, there is cos A minus sin A. So, here, we will keep root 2 sin A in the left hand side. Other two terms we transfer into right hand side. So, it become like this: root 2 sin A equal to 2 cos A minus sin A. Cos A it was plus, it become minus. Sin A it was plus, it become minus. Now, root 2 sin A equal to 2 cos A minus cos A, it become cos A minus sin A. Look at the question again. Cos A minus sin A equal to root 2 sin A. Cos A minus sin A equal to root 2 sin A. Just arrange it. Cos A minus sin A equal to root 2 sin A root. Now, question number 22. If tan A equal to 1 by root 3, find the value of cosec square A minus sec square A by cosec square A plus sec square A. It is given tan A equal to 1 by root 3. We will find out the value of cosec square A minus sec square A by cosec square A plus sec square A. So, we will start from given part, that is given tan A equal to 1 by root 3. We can write it like this: tan square A equal to 1 by 3. If we take the square on the both side, it become tan square A equal to 1 by 3. We know tan square A equal to sec square A minus 1 equal to 1 by 3. Now, we can write sec square a equal to 1 by 3 plus 1. That is sec square a equal to 3, 1 plus 3 sec square a equal to 4 by 3. So we got the value of sec square a. Now we will find out the value of cosec square a. Then we can find out the value of cosec square a minus sec square a by cosec square a plus sec square a very easily. Again, look, tan square a equal to 1 by 3. We can write it again, tan square a equal to 1 by 3. So cot square a, it become 3, because we know tan a equal to 1 by cot a. So tan square a is equal to 1 by 3. So cot square a will be only 3. We know cot square a is equal to cosec square a minus 1 equal to 3. That is cosec square a equal to 3 plus 1. Therefore, cosec square a equal to 4. Now we know the value of sec square a and the cosec square a. Now we can find out the value of this term very easily. Now cosec square a minus sec square a by cosec square a plus sec square a. Cosec square a, that is 4, sec square a, that is 4 by 3. So 4 minus 4 by 3, and it is 4 plus 4 by 3. Now both the denominator and the numerator have the separate addition and subtraction. We will do that one separately. It will be LCM 3, 3 4s are 12 minus 4. Here also LCM 3, 3 4s are 12 plus 4. So now it become like this, 8 by 3, 12 minus 4, that is 8 by 3, and this is 12 plus 4, 16 by 3. But if I give over there a multiplication, it will be reciprocal, that will be 3 by 16. 16 by 3 become 3 by 16. Now cancellation, 3 1s are 3, 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16. So the value is 1 by 2. This is the answer. So the value of cosec square a minus sec square a by cosec square a plus sec square a is equal to half. Look, question number 23. If cosec a minus cot a equal to 4 by 3, what is the value of cosec a plus cot a? It is given cosec a minus cot a. We will find out cosec a plus cot a. Here also we will start from given. Given cosec a minus cot a equal to 4 by 3. Now we know cosec square a minus cot square a equal to 1. Cosec square a minus cot square a equal to 1. We know this identity of the trigonometric ratio. So here we can use a formula a square minus b square over there. This is a square and this is b square. A square minus b square, that is a plus b into a minus b. Cosec a plus cot a into cosec a minus cot a equal to 1. Now we know the value of cosec a minus cot a, that is 4 by 3. So we can write it cosec a plus cot a into 4 by 3 equal to 1. Now if I transfer 4 by 3 into right side, it will be 3 by 4 reciprocal. Therefore cosec A plus cot A equal to 3 by 4 into 1, that is 3 by 4. This is the value of cosec A plus cot A. Answer 3 by 4. Now question number 24. If cot A equal to B by A, find the value of A sin A minus B cos A by A sin A plus B cos A. Given cot A equal to B by A, we know cot A equal to cos A by sin A equal to B by A. Now look at the question. It is A sin A minus B cos A. Again A sin A plus B cos A. So there is a product of A and sin A and B and cos A. So if we multiply both sides by B by A, we will get that product, sin A equal to B by A. So multiply it, it become like this, B cos A by A sin A equal to B squared by A square. So invert it, it will be A sin A by B cos A. It will be A square by B square. Why I do the invertendo over there? I have taken invertendo. This is invertendo. Invertendo. Why I have taken invertendo over there? Because we need sin A sin A at first. So I want to make A sin A numerator and B cos A denominator. Now we will apply over there complemento dividendo rules, and we get like this: A sin A plus B cos A sin A minus B cos A equal to A square plus B square, A square minus B square. This is complemento dividendo. You must give the side note over there by applying complemento and dividendo. Now look the question again. At the question it is A sin A minus B cos A as the numerator and A sin A B cos A as the denominator. But in this line A sin A plus B cos A as the numerator and A sin A minus B cos A as a denominator. So what should we do to get our actual term? We should take again invertendo. So it become A sin A minus B cos A, and it will be A sin A plus B cos A. Here also A square minus B square by A square plus B square. Here also we have done invertendo. So this is our answer. This is our answer. A square minus B square, A square plus B square. Now the last question, question number 25, that is the CQ of this exercise. Now look at the board. Problem number 25, if cosec A minus cot A equal to 1 by x, Find the value of cosec A plus cot A. It is given cosec A minus cot A. We will find out the value of cosec A plus cot A. So at first I wanted to solve question number 1 of the problem number 25. Sub number 1. Given cosec A minus cot A equal to 1 by x. We know cosec square A minus cot square A equal to 1. Now we can apply over there our formula A square minus B square, that is cosec A plus cot A into cosec A minus cot A equal to 1. Now the value of cosec A minus cot A is equal to 1 by x. So we can write cosec A plus cot A into 1 by x equal to 1. Therefore cosec A plus cot A equal to, if I take 1 by x into right side, it become only x. So the value of cosec A plus cot A is equal to x. This is the answer. Now question number 2. Show that check A equal to s square plus 1 by s square minus 1. Question number 2. From A we get, from 1 we get cosec A plus cot A equal to x. So we can write over like this, 1 by sin A plus cos A by sin A. We know cosec A equal to 1 by sin A and cot A equal to cos A by sin A. Now add these two fraction, LCM will be sin A, numerator 1 plus cos A equal to x. Now we will take the square on the both side. Why we will take the square on the both side? Because in the right hand side it is s square plus 1 by s square minus 1. So we need to make this x into square. So we take square on the both side. So it will be 1 plus cos A by sin A whole square equal to x square. Now we will take the square for the numerator and the denominator in separately. It become 1 plus 2 cos A plus cos square A plus B whole square, and sin A, it will be sin square A equal to s square. Now we need to componendo dividendo to make the right hand side s square plus 1 by s square minus 1. In the right hand side we have s square plus 1 by s square minus 1. So we need to take componendo dividendo over there. So if we take componendo dividendo, it become like this, 1 plus 2 cos A plus cos square A plus sin square A. 1 plus 2 cos A plus cos square A plus sin square A. Again 1 plus 2 cos A plus cos square A minus sin square A. Componendo and dividendo. And in the right hand side it becomes s square plus 1 by s square minus 1, since there is 1 as a denominator since there is a denominator 1 in the right hand side. So now calculate it. It will be 1 plus 2 cos a. Cos square a plus sin square a, that is 1. 1 plus 2 cos a plus cos square, plus 1. Cos square a plus sin square a equal to 1. And here 1 plus 2 cos a plus cos square a minus, we know sin square a equal to 1 minus cos square a. So it will be 1 plus cos square a. Why 1 plus cos square a? Because there is minus before the sin square a. So it is minus 1 plus cos square a, and it is s square plus 1 by s square minus 1. Now this 1 and this 1 will be cancelled. In the numerator it is 2 plus 2 cos a, and in the denominator it is 2 cos a plus 2 cos square a equal to s square plus 1 by s square minus 1. Now from the denominator we can take one cos common, 2 plus 2 cos a. If you take cos common over there, cos a, it become 2 plus 2 cos a equal to s square plus 1 by s square minus 1. Now you can cancel both the denominator and the numerator, 2 plus 2 cos a. It remain 1 by cos a equal to s square plus 1 by s square minus 1. Therefore 1 by cos a is equal to sec a equal to s square plus 1 by s square minus 1. Low. Sec a is equal to s square plus 1 by s square minus 1 should. Now question number 3. According to the stimulus, prove that tan a plus cot a equal to sec a into cosec a. So question number 3. From 1 we get cosec a minus cot a equal to x, and it is given cosec a plus cot a equal to 1 by x. This is given part. So write over there given. Now if we add these two, what it will be? If you add these two equation, it will be cot a cancel, 2 cosec a equal to x plus 1 by x. 2 cosec a equal to s square plus 1 by x. Therefore cosec a equal to s square plus 1 by 2x. So this is the value of cosec a. Now if cosec a is equal to s square plus 1 by 2x, so sin a will be the reciprocal of cosec a. Since we know sin a equal to 1 by cosec a, so it will be the reciprocal, that is 2x by s square plus 1. Similarly from 2 we get sec a equal to s square plus 1 by s square minus 1. If sec a is equal to s square plus 1 by s square minus 1, so cos a will be the reciprocal of sec a, since cos a is equal to 1 by sec a. So we have the value of sin a, cos a, sec a and cosec a. From this 4 value we will find out the value of left hand side and right hand side, and we will prove that the value of left hand side is equal to the value of right hand side. Left hand side, that is tan A plus cot A. Tan A, we know that this is sin A by cos A, and cot A, it is cos A by sin A. Now we will add these two fraction. LCM will be cos A into sin A, and numerator will be sin square A plus cos square A. So we know the value of sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. So it become 1 by cos A into sin A. Now we will put the value of cos A and sin A. The value of cos A is equal to AC square minus 1 by AC square plus 1, and the value of sin A is 2x by AC square plus 1. Now we will multiply these two fraction. If we multiply these two fraction, it will be like this: 1 by AC square plus 1 whole square, and numerator will be 2x into AC square minus 1. This is 1 by our fraction must be reciprocal. So it will be AC square plus 1 by 1 whole square by 2x AC square minus 1. So this is the value of right hand side. This is the value of right hand side. Now we will find out the value of left hand side, and we will prove that the value of left hand side is also AC square plus 1 whole square by 2x into AC square minus 1. Now right hand side, that is cosec A into sec A into cosec A, and the value of sec A, that is AC square plus 1 by AC square minus 1, and the value of cosec A is AC square plus 1 by 2x. Now multiply these two fraction, you will get AC square plus 1 whole square by 2x into AC square minus 1. That is the value of right hand side, left hand side. Therefore left hand side equal to right hand side proved. So my dear student, hope that you have understood my lecture very well. Practice this math again and again at your home. If you practice, you can solve this math very easily. See you again. Allah Hafiz.